guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mina here. Long time no video, I know. It's been a while. Well, I've been busy with work and
other excuses.
but I'm back and I just got back from London. I went to London for 3 weeks holiday because I missed my friends and my cousins. So yeah, and I went there and I went shopping. So that's why I'm making this video, to show you what I got. So I went to London on 16th of December. I think it was 16th. Yeah. And I came back on 6th of January. Oh, there was a lot of drama. First of all, my flight got delayed like 25 hours because of snow in France. And
my luggage got lost.
it was stuck in the airport in Paris. So I had to wait 2 days to get my luggage back. My whole outfit plan got ruined. I had to go to the Primark to shop some basic stuff, you know. So I only had one backpack with rice cooker that my aunt asked me to bring with me so I can give it to my cousin. And I have some like emergency clothes. Like it wasn't an emergency, I just put them for extra. So the day after I arrived there, I had to go to the Primark and I bought some stuff. I bought this like really hopping, oh, it kind of matched with my clothes. Yeah, I bought this like a chunky heel. You know what, I didn't even wear them. Like they're new, they're like with tags and all. I was going to the cabaret brunch with my friend and I planned this whole outfit, like a really like
bling bling clothes, like with dress and like fur and like, you know, extravagant clothes with dress.
But I couldn't wear it, so I had to buy something. So I bought like one simple basic jeans from Primark and some clothes, just, you know, basic top. But I got reimbursed the money I spent during the 2 days before I get my luggage back, so it was fine. So before I got my luggage back, I went to Lush and I bought these really big, cute Yankee candle. Oh, sorry, not Yankee candle. The Lush candle. They got candle. They have candles now. They have this really huge candle. It's a Snow Fairy. Snow Fairy is my favorite scent. So I bought 2 of these. And also they have small one. I bought this small one too. So the big one and small one is like this. They're so cute. But the scent is not that strong. I mean, I can smell it, but it's not that strong. But I still love it. And it's pink. So yeah, I got these. I also got Snow Fairy. I got everything in Snow Fairy scent. Snow Fairy body spray. It's like cotton candy dream. I bought like 3 of these. And what else I got? Oh yeah, I got like a big jar of Snow Fairy scent body cream. I also bought a lot of candles from Primark. I also got this tray from Primark. It was like £1. There are a lot of the candles as well. Because, you know, candles are really expensive in Korea. Like, you know, like these kind of like, how do you call this? What do you call this candle? Taper, yeah. Tapers and, you know, like this bubble candles, you know, like cute candles. Yeah, I got this bubble shape candles. I also got this candle. And oh, I love this one. I just love everything in shell shape. And I got this, like, it's basic but still cute candles. It's kind of huge. But yeah. I got this one, and I also got this body shape candle, and I got tapers. This many. I really like this like pastel color. This yellow one I really love. I also got these wavy ones. Oh yeah, and I got this like oil bottle thingy, but I thought I can use it as like a candle holder. So I got this blue oil bottle. Got this Stranger Things Surfer Boy pizza t-shirt from Primark. Actually, I went to the Stranger Things experience with my cousin and I was going to buy something like t-shirts or something cute, but they don't have anything cute. Another Stranger Things t-shirt. The Hellfire Club. Ah, I love this t-shirt. It was on sale. It was like £4 or £5. Bought 3 of these. 1 to keep and two for a gift. Yeah, it's like Hellfire Club. It's so cute. And it's like quality is really nice. I was impressed.
I'm impressed, Primark.
Yeah, I got another. I'm obsessed with Stranger Things. So this says Hawkins. It's so cute. I also got this Stussy, just basic black pullover. Got another outerwear from Stussy. I got this because the design of the hoodie. When you zip it, it's a hoodie. And when you zip it down, it's like a, you know, the sailor color. I love it. I also went to Lazy Off, Fiorucci, and Selfridges to buy House of Sunny. So I got this like humongous, it's not humongous actually, it's just medium size. I got this faux fur jacket. It's like, it's not really a jacket because it doesn't like open. Super cozy.
Yeah, I just love it.
Oh yeah, I got this top from House of Sunny as well. It's like a ribbon details, like on the side. It's so cute. I just love it. Like on the side, here and here and here, and the fur detail. And I also got a matching skirt because they were on sale. I wouldn't buy this in original price because it's kind of pricey for me, but they were on sale. I just love Living Details and it's like hot pink and it's so cute. I wore this top to Moulin Rouge musical. And I was like,
I belong here.
and I also went to Lazy Off, which is one of my favorite brands. Got this like really cute dress. It's like a t-shirt dress. I really like this like landscape kind of print and flowers. So yeah, I got this dress from Lazy Off. And I also got t-shirt, basic sky blue t-shirt. Oh yeah, and I got the Lazy Off tights. Got this jumpsuit. It's super cute and so comfy. And I also got this very, very colorful dress. I'm not sure this is the front or this is the front. Oh yeah, so this is the front. The yellow green side is the front. I think you can wear it like this as well. This one is also Lazy Off. It's kind of giving me like 90s vibe, you know? I also got this t-shirt dress from Lazy Off. It's made out of like velvety fabric, so it's sort of like really soft and warm. This one is a dress. It's like kind of similar to the jumpsuit. Next, I got this like mini dress from House of Sunny. It also comes with arm warmer. Yeah, it's like 70% sale on Selfridges, so I was like, oh, I need to buy this. So yeah, it's so cute. I can't wait to wear these. Next, I got another House of Sunny clothes. It's like really similar to the one I'm wearing, but in different color. This one has a zipper detail on the front. I bought the skirt as well. You know, so I can wear it as a set. Yay! There's another House of Sunny. Oh, it's like really similar to the one I'm wearing and that one I just showed you. But yeah, it's another. It's like cardi, but it's not cardi. It's like a top. Well, maybe you can wear it as a cardi, but I mean, I don't want to go through like every buttons every time I wear it. But this one, okay. There's difference between all these three similar looking top. This one has like a ribbon detail. This one has fur on neck and sleeves as well. Oh, it's so cute. It's purple. There are some things I got for Christmas. So my friend Annie got me this Good Hair Day Glide. It says it's Glide. The straightener. I really like it. I never had one of these like with brush and straightener combo. And she got me this Pauline. She got me this really cute bag. At first I was like, is it cute? And then every time I see it again and again, I'm like, it's really cute. I really like it because I don't have anything like this with shape and color, because I usually go with like very colorful bags. Every time I see you, I like you more and more. It's really cute. I really love it. She got me this little bag. I think it's from Pull & Bear. Yeah, this Pull & Bear. Really cute. I went to Fortnum&Mason like twice, and I bought like so many teas and stuff because I love Fortnum&Mason. I got this hamper. It's a mini hamper. I didn't buy the big one. I only got the mini hamper. I have one of these baskets, in bigger size, not from Fortnum&Mason because I love picnic basket, but I had to buy Fortnum&Mason. It's just so cute. I had to buy it. I just love teas and all the things comes with it. And the hamper is so cute. Actually, it was like closed and wrapped with Fortnum&Mason ribbon, but I just took it off so I can show it to you. The tin can looks like Fortnum&Mason. You see, it's so cute. An Earl Grey tea shortbread. Me teas. This one is afternoon tea blend, and this one is royal blend. I prefer royal blend, but afternoon tea blend is still good. And it also has strawberry jam and wild blueberry jam. Also got,
Oh my god.
I got this huge Fortnum&Mason bag because I bought so many tin cans and teas. I got just teas. This one is chai. This one is celebration blend. I really like the design. And I also got this dazzling tea with mandarin. Queen Anne tea bags. Oh my god, this is the best. So I got this, I think it's cookies, I think it's biscuit, chocolate pearl and caramel shortbread. Okay, it's shortbread. But when you do this, it's so cute. Oh. They also have a bigger version, but with this typical Fortnum&Mason color. It was more prettier and way bigger than this one. Oh my god, this one is the best. It's a Italian biscuit or Italian cookies. These cookies are the best cookies I have ever tasted. Like, it's so soft and like, it's like a cloud. This one has 3 different flavors. So good. They're so good. I already ate all of them and I just put the M&M chocolate inside. I was like, why is this so heavy? And he got me one of these chocolates. It's like lobster shaped chocolate. Very cute. I went to Harry Potter shop in King's Cross Station and I got this mugs. It's like Harry and Ron. Actually, the original design for mug, it's not that cute. It's only cute like sweater on. Of course, chocolate frog. It's like really gigantic. It's really good. You know, like 3D card? And I was like, who the fuck is this? And it says on the back, Balti Bot. He invented Balti Bots, every flavor beans, quite by mistake. He's apparently the inventor of every flavor jelly beans. I was quite disappointed. I wanted Dumbledore. And I also got these really cute ornament from Conran. Gummy bear shape ornament. Plastic bag. Got this gigantic bag from Stussy. Gigantic tote bag. Like, I can tote anything. I think I showed you everything I got. Oh, there's one more. I got books. I got this Friends to Keep in Art and Life from Tate Modern. I bought it just because on the first page it says, for gal pals everywhere, but especially mine. In the words of Galentine's Day founder Leslie Knope, your all-poetic novel Land Mermaids. Oh, because I love Leslie Knope. I love Parks and Recreations is my favorite show. And I finally got this, Jenna McCurdy's I'm Glad My Mom Died. Well, this book was sold out everywhere. I went to 4 different bookshops to get this one. And I read it, it's so good. And more books that I haven't read yet. This one is You and Me on Vacation. I just grabbed it on the novel section. Annie gave me this because she already finished reading it. It's a Nora Ephron's I Feel Bad About My Neck. Bunny Conversations on Love. I also bought Tina Fey's Bossy Pants. I love Tina Fey, so that's why I bought it. The Sally Rooney's Normal People. You know, they made a show based on the book, so I was like, I need to read this book. Must be good, right? This one also, Annie gave it to me. Elizabeth Day, How to Fail. And Dear Dolly, Dolly Alderton's. One of my favorite books is Everything I Know About Love from Dolly Alderton. This one was on half price, so I was like, oh, maybe I can give it a go. So I bought this. I also bought My Body as well. I'm currently reading it. But yeah, I think I showed you everything I got. Did I miss anything? I think I covered everything. So yeah, that was everything I got from London. I know I haven't been active on YouTube for a while, but I'm back again and I'm currently working on another sewing video. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!